learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Futsai is an essential element in Hakka cuisine. The tasty futsai is very simple to make. All you need is mustard leaf and salt. Futsai is dried in the sun several times and sealed tightly in a glass jar during the fermentation process. Those who want to taste delicious Hakka futsai can go to the Gongguan Hakka Futsai Cultural Festival in Miaoli up to January 15th.
Yo, 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 it's time to talk about Hakka here in Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我係 Josephine。好像是不是最近啊？我听说有一个这个文化节啊，是跟福菜有关系的。
哦，对对对，
Yeah
在我的故乡苗栗。
对嘛，你应该要来介绍了，又在你的故乡。This takes place in Leo's hometown. 在哪里啊？你说？
他在苗栗公馆，苗栗公馆。
哦，苗栗公馆 OK. It takes place in Miaoli County, Gongguan Township, and it's a festival that celebrates something called 福菜嘛，对不对？
对对对，你已经吃过。
对，
这个活动就叫做公馆客家福菜文化节。
哦，福菜就是福菜，对不对？
对。
Which is a very important part of the Hakka cuisine, and it's actually a vegetable. 它其实就是用什么菜制造的？
它是用那个芥菜，
对了，
芥菜
怎么讲？
芥菜。
芥菜 That's right. The mustard leaf is a very important ingredient in making the 福菜 OK. 然后这个就是等于是好像是晒干了之后，然后就可以拿来跟别的食物炒啦、炖啊。对，
或煮汤啊。
其
实客家人很常用到芥菜，你看像那个长年菜、常年菜也是芥菜，然后呢咸菜、咸菜也是芥菜，泡菜也是芥菜。
Okay. So it seems like the Hakka use the mustard leaf a lot in a lot of their different cuisines, and this one in particular is called Pok Cai, which is 福菜 and it's a festival that goes on all the way until 好像到1月中而已，对不对？这个文化节。
对，1月15号。
1月15号。哦 right. The festival is called the Gongguan Hakka Futsai Culture Festival. How do you say that?
公館客家福菜文化節。
公館客家福菜文化節。
对。
Okay, that again is the festival. And then the main ingredient of making what's called 福菜 or 泡菜 is called 芥菜, which is the mustard leaf. 怎么说？
芥菜。
芥菜. And again, all the way up to the 15th, you have a chance to taste this delicacy in the Hakka culture over in Miaoli County. So go check it out. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 中了了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.